Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Confirm the laptop's native resolution in settings so you know the target. Next, make sure graphics drivers are current. Drivers control scaling behavior, so update and reboot when needed. Once done, connect an external monitor if you have one. It helps compare sharpness and size. Make sure to use the same cable type to avoid handshake issues, and keep display settings open so you can change values in the next steps. Now adjust the resolution to the native value. This yields the sharpest image. Apply changes and confirm. Then tune scaling. Choose 100% for clarity on low DPI screens or 125% for small high DPI displays so text is readable. You can test with a browser and a word processor to judge comfort. If the OS options don't match your native numbers, open the GPU control panel to finish by fine-tuning text rendering. Run clear type or font smoothing so letters look crisp at the chosen scale. Make sure night mode or HDR is set appropriately, because those can change perceived size. If you see blurriness or artifacts, roll back the driver or boot safe mode to reset settings, then reinstall the manufacturer driver. Finally, create a system restore point and record the working resolution and scale. That saves time if you need to revert later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.